To learn Miro, navigate to miro.com/lite. You will get the free version of Miro. First of all, you can see a toolbar on the left side. Here you can use different tools. For now, select the post-it or press N. If you have a post-it, you can click anywhere on the screen to add it, like this. Now, when you click the post-it, you will see a toolbar appear. You can click various options, like changing colors. You can double-click to edit the text. And you can simply drag and drop to move the sticky note around. As you can see here, my mouse pointer is a pointer and this arrow is blue. This means that I'm in edit mode. I will now be able to edit various objects. I can change the text, I can move them around. But sometimes I want to move around, and then I can deselect the edit mode here, and you will see a hand appears. By using the hand now, I can drag and drop to move around in the whiteboard. If I have a mouse, I can scroll to zoom in and zoom out. If I have a trackpad, I can use two fingers to navigate around or to pinch in and pinch out, similar to how we'd use a smartphone. When I go to edit mode, if I have a trackpad on my laptop, I can still use the two fingers to navigate around or to zoom in and zoom out. This is by far the easiest way to navigate in Miro. There's a third way to navigate. It's with the user interface. On the right lower side you will see a percentage. If I hover my mouse and I click, I will zoom to 100%. I can use the plus and minus buttons to zoom in and zoom out. And I can open a mini-map in which I will see the entire whiteboard and can navigate around. Finally, when you have the full version of Miro, you can add the three dots to change the toolbar and add your favorite tools. For now, using a text, using a shape, and using post-its is enough. In the full version, you will also have an icon on the lower left side to open the frame menu. A frame is like a PowerPoint slide, and in this whiteboard you can make multiple frames for quick pages and quick access. This is the quick 3-minute introduction to Miro.